You probably use Google every single day. But did you know Google has hidden search tricks that make you feel like a magician on the internet? In this video, I'll show you Google search secrets that feel like magic, real features built right into the search bar that most people have no idea exist. Let's go! Secret number 1. Use quotation marks for exact results. If you want Google to show results for an exact phrase, just put it in quotation marks. For example, typing, "Best laptop for students 2025," will only show pages that include that exact sentence. Perfect for research, copywriting, or when you're looking for a specific quote. Secret number 2. The cite command. Want to search within one website only? Type cite, followed by the domain. For example, cite wikipedia.org. Dinosaurs will show only Wikipedia pages about dinosaurs. You can even use it to find hidden pages on your favorite websites. Secret number 3. Use a dash to exclude words. If your results are cluttered with irrelevant topics, use a dash, hyphen symbol, to exclude them. Example, best budget phones Samsung. That tells Google to show results about budget phones, but without Samsung ones. A tiny dash that makes a big difference. Secret number 4. The file type trick. Need a PDF or PowerPoint for study or work? Type your keyword plus file type, PDF or file type, PPT. For example, marketing strategy file type, PPT instantly shows PowerPoint presentations you can download. It's like having a free library right inside Google. Secret number 5. Do instant calculations and conversions. Google can do math, currency, and unit conversions directly in the search bar. Type $200 to euro, time in Tokyo, or 5 miles in kilometers, and boom, instant answers. No need for extra websites or apps. Secret number 6. Use the asterisk as a wildcard. If you forget a word in a quote or song lyric, replace it with an asterisk. For example, type, "Never gonna asterisk you up." And yes, you'll get rickrolled by Google. This trick also helps when you only remember part of a phrase. Secret number 7. The timer and fun tools. Type set a timer for 10 minutes or flip a coin and watch Google instantly create one for you. You can also search metronome, spinner, or even Pac-Man to play games directly in your browser. Yep, Google is secretly fun. So there you have it, 7 Google search secrets that feel like magic. Once you start using these, you'll never search the same way again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.